Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane forklift parts along with propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in a Datsun Nissan forklift kit. This will cover the model numbers of a KH-01, the KH-02, the KC-H-01, the KC-H-02, and it also covers the KCP-H01A 25 and 15 PV. The engine in this is the Nissan H20-II, and they also call it an H25 engine. So what we're going to do is show you the two different versions. We carry the KC, which is kit complete, which is for a forklift that has been run on gasoline, never on propane. So it'll come with everything from your tank brackets to hold the tank all the way to your carburetor. The only thing it won't come with is your actual tank itself. So the KP kit is a kit partial, which would come with everything under the hood to refreshen up an older system. So we'll go ahead and show you what comes in that kit. Okay, now the kit we have up here is the KC, the complete kit. And that'll come with your tank brackets to hold your tank, your toggle clamps to latch your tank brackets, the locating pin, all your hardware for that. It'll come with your vapor hose to connect from your carburetor to your regulator, all your LPG high pressure hose, your vacuum hose, you'll get your water hose, you'll get your connections for your tank, the 7141F connection, along with your bulkhead that mounts to the counterweight. You'll get your complete regulator assembly with your lock off, all the hardware, the bracket to mount that. You'll get your pipe compound. You'll get all your fittings to tie in for your water, your fuel pump cover plate and gasket, along with your tie straps. Comes with the hose clamps, your hardware for mounting your bracket. The most crucial part about the kit is obviously the carburetor. Now this carburetor is set up for the H20 Roman numeral 2 or the H25 Nissan engine. All your linkage will be done. You have your bracket for your fast dash pod, your return spring. It'll come with another return spring on the back side. You get your offset adapter for the bottom, your two studs to mount your air cleaner to the top. That's the most important part about it. Now on the KP kit, the only thing that you won't get is you will not get your tank brackets, nor will you get your latches for the tank brackets or your hardware for that. You will not get your connection to your tank or your bulkhead. Basically, you'll get everything else just to replace and update the old system. So that's what comes with that kit there. Okay, that shows you what comes in the Komatsu forklift kit, the KC and the KP. Again, this covers the Series ZA and ZB model. It has the Nissan H20 engine. For all the model numbers, again, we'll list it on the screen. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, you can go to pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps out. Have a wonderful day.